You can also solve Rubik's cubes this fast. In my previous video I have shown you some notations, which are useful to solve the Rubik's cube. And in this video I am going to show you how to use those notations to solve Rubik's cubes. Let's begin. First of all, let's shuffle the Rubik's cube. We of course need to shuffle the cube to solve the cube.
Then open Online Rubik's Cube Solver website on either your laptop, computer or phone. Of course you can even download similar app. Then we need to enter colors on all sides of the Rubik's Cube into this website in this way. After giving all the colors, you can click on Solve and wait till it loads. Now you can see that website gives you some notations. Just rotate your Rubik's Cube according to those notations as in the previous video. And see your Rubik's Cube will be solved. This is a shortcut to solve the Rubik's Cube. But you can also solve the Rubik's Cube on your own without any support. In next videos, I will teach you slowly how to learn to solve Rubik's Cubes on your own. Please do like, share and subscribe.
Goodbye to the people who hated on me. Goodbye to the people who loved me. Goodbye to the people who trusted me. Goodbye, goodbye to everybody.